Hi guys, Daisy here. If you want to know how to achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye. I'm gonna be taking this concealer. I'm gonna be setting it on my eyelid. Now for this eye look, I didn't know whether to do something intense, which I think I am. I'm going to be using Jaclyn palette. So I think I'm going to be going in with this yellow one right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yellow. I wonder if it's going to stick through in there. Ooh, definitely pigmented. I mean, all of her other colors I've tried. I haven't tried this yellow one, but all her other colors are so pigmented, especially the glitter ones, you guys. I don't even have to reapply concealer on top or any glitter glue, and it's so pigmented that I don't even need to use a glitter glue. Of course, if you put glitter glue on, it's gonna pop out more. But if you forget your glitter glue, like there's no biggie because they're so pigmented. Wow, I really love this color. This is my first video, by the way, so if you guys would like to subscribe, you can go ahead and do that. If you don't, well, you don't have to, but I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna go with this color right here. It's called Enchanted. It's like a dark green. Ooh, this one right here. So I know this is going to be very pigmented, so I'm going to top off some excess, and we're just going to like work our way through there. I'm gonna be using this Japa, this one right here. Place it on top. We're going bright today, honey. Ooh, love it. And we're gonna go right on top of it. Ooh, girl. Yes. Take some, and we're gonna spray it so we can get some more color. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay. Oh, girl! Oh my god! With the bottom lash, I'm gonna go with that Enchanted color as well. I'm gonna go in at the bottom. And now we're going to why does this happen to me? Why? I forget I have like eyeshadows on my fingers, and I just kind of like swipe it all off. Here we go again. Wow.